Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to walk you through and introduce you to our 2018 Golf GTI Autobahn driver assistance. This vehicle is finished in a beautiful white paint with black leather interior. Nice sporty bucket seats. Passengers have adjustable backrest via power. You have height adjustment and manual lumbar. Passengers in the Golf are treated to a nice amount of headspace, great leg space, ventilation in the center, as well as a black headliner. You will notice that this vehicle also has a nice large sunroof here. They call it the rail-to-rail sunroof. It goes from one end to the other. Coming around to the rear hatch, the Volkswagen emblem is actually your handle to pull open the hatch. Behind there, later on, when you go into reverse, you'll also see your backup camera. The rear hatch has two cubby holes on the left and right side. A nice amount of space. You can fit a drying machine in there if you want to. And to fit that drying machine, you would have to fold down the seats, which come in a 60-40 split. If you like to ski or you have 2x4s you want to carry in the car, you could use the middle pass-through. Coming around to the driver's side of the vehicle, you'll notice the same nice black leather bucket seats. All your window controls are on the left. The driver's seat has full power adjustability, with lumbar also being power and not manual. Jumping in, you'll see your fully automatic headlights there. You also have your cruise control on the left. You have your media controls on the right, as well as your Bluetooth controls. In the middle here, you'll notice this vehicle has 93,387 kilometers. This is the driver assistant package. So a couple of the features that it has are lane assist, blind spot, rear traffic, front assist. Coming around to the center area here, you will notice this nice large touchscreen giving you navigation. Earlier we were on the Sirius XM page, so it does have satellite radio. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. That is a quick image of your backup camera. Down low, you do have your automatic climate control dual zone, so left and right side are separate. Heated seats. You do have your mode button down here, giving you your Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom modes. Engine auto on and off, traction control. Start, stop button for your engine. Your parking assist here, which will help you park in parallel and reverse. You also have parking sensors all around the vehicle, as shown here. One of the nice features here in this vehicle is that you also do have Fender premium audio. Now, playing music is easy too. You could use your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Otherwise, you could use USB and auxiliary hidden down low. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through and introduce you to our new in the lot 2018 Golf GTI Autobahn driver assistance package. We look forward to helping you out with any vehicle inquiries you may have. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you very much and take care. Talk to you soon.